Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix not receiving a two-factor authentication code from Facebook on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Change message setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap message. On the message page, turn on iMessage. Scroll down, turn off filter unknown sender. Solution number 2. Check your internet connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then go back. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Go back setting page, tap Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi. Solution number 3. Offload Facebook app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap iPhone storage. Tap Facebook. Tap offload app, again offload. Solution number 4. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap date and time. Turn on set date and time. Thanks for watching this video.